Okay, so I'm controlling some sprinkler valves here through my Honeywell Tuxedo Touch, and I'm going to give you a quick example. So I got a few things connected here, and we'll turn on shed sprinkler. And you can see I just have a soaker hose going right now. Turn it off. And basically all I did was take a Z-Wave light switch, one that's non-dimming, and learned it into my Tuxedo. And then I took the load side of that switch and I used the load side to drive a 110 volt relay, and then I used that relay to switch to 24 volts that controls my sprinkler valve. I don't even have a sprinkler controller. I didn't even bother, because through the Tuxedo then I can create scenes. And basically turn my sprinklers on and off, when I want to. Yeah. And you can see here I created a scene for a shed sprinkler, and I've got a soaker hose on a bamboo wall I planted. I basically just tell it to pop on in the morning for 5-10 minutes, and then that one valve shuts off and the next one starts in a minute later, and that one runs. So I'll give you a lowdown on how I wired it up. Okay, so in this PVC box I have a Z-Wave non-dimming light switch for each sprinkler zone. Okay, and I'm taking the load side, and the reason why it's in a PVC box is because Z-Wave is an RF wireless technology, and you put it in a metal box, it's not going to work very well. So in here are my Z-Wave switches, and I am using the load side, and basically driving some 110 volt relays. Now these are going to be DIN rail mounted. Actually, all this is going to get redone. And this will be a 12 by 12 PVC box. My Z-Waves are in there, just kind of crammed in. But so yeah, so basically these are my this is my 110 coming in, and I'm only driving a solenoid and a relay, so you don't really need very much. And then on the outside, for the moment, I'm just using Cat5. So on the back side, this is my 24 volts that I'm using, and that's my 24 volt transformer up there. And then I'm coming down over here, 24 volts, and in here I'm switching my valves. Alright, so basically my Z-Wave light switch drives my relay, and my relay switches 24 volts to my sprinkler zone. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave comments.